talks about where pi comes from. Do you know where pi comes from? So pi is this really kind of magical number that mathematicians, like ancient mathematicians, started to notice that the relationship between the circumference and the diameter of the circle, of any circle that they could find, was always around 3. So the circumference was always about 3 times the diameter. Didn't matter what size the circle was. It was always the same. So the circumference, the distance around, was always 3 times the diameter. As calculations and stuff like that, as they did more like work onto it, then you've kind of figured out that like 3.1415, blah, blah, on and on and on and on and on. But isn't that a cool origin? Like, that's so fascinating to me that that's something that you just kind of start to notice. Like all of those relationships that you first start to notice, like this circumference and diameter, oh, it's about 3 apart. That's crazy to me. But anyway,